Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ready Steady Eat. Today we will be making one of the popular laddus, that is coconut laddu. But before beginning with the recipe, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So to begin with, let's heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a kadai and roast 3 cups of fresh desiccated coconut into it, just until the coconut is soft. Make sure not to over roast, otherwise the laddus will become dark. When the roasting is done, add in the milk and cook until the moisture evaporates. Once it's evaporated, add in 1 cup of sugar and mix well until the sugar dissolves. Now add half a cup of milk powder and just mix so that the whole mixture comes together. Take the mixture off the heat and allow it to cool down. Take a portion and roll them into laddus just like this. Roll each laddu into desiccated coconut and coat them well evenly. Super tasty and super easy to make coconut laddus are ready to be served. Do let us know in the comments below how you like the recipe.